My name is Megan and I'm currently working in BBC Wales News in Central Square in Cardiff. I'm currently working with a junior production manager, so we have responsibilities in the office to look after the departments in the news, so that's a wide range of English and Welsh departments, so it's like digital, radio, Radio Cymru, Wales Today, and then with the news desk where the journalists and reporters sit, so we're kind of helping them with the running of the newsroom. So that could be anything between organising training for journalists to organising transportation to OBs. So for example, I was recently on an OB in the winter fair as I was acting as a production coordinator. So that involved organising accreditation for people to get up there for transportation because there's no trains up to both Wales, so we had to organise how people were going to travel up. And then it was also involving the accommodation. So yeah, I've been really enjoying it. I also helped out with organising student placement for journalist students. So that was about a month and a half project and involved organising laptops, accounts, security, organising reading CVs and organising which departments they were going to go to. So that was quite a big first job project to get involved in. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the organisational part of it, working as a team, getting to know lots of people like editors who I never thought I would be able to speak with, but I kind of sit in the same space as them so they can come and speak to me or I can go speak to them if there's anything we need to organise. Yeah. I think my favourite project was definitely the winter fair because we kind of saw it through from the beginning with sorting everything out about a month in advance, and then obviously actually going into the OB and then seeing everything coming together. I spent the day with a journalist called Gary Owen, so he was doing some radio live reporting, and then he was doing stuff for digital. Cymru View, sorry. So I went around with him getting interviews, people to come and speak to him to kind of get a story together. So I really enjoyed that because I kind of can see what goes on in the background, because obviously you see the product, you know, when it all comes together, but actually seeing the process of it coming together was really interesting. So I've organised, well, my supervisor organised for me to go and join Crime Watch for a month in January, so that will be getting all the VTs and all the information together ready for filming later on in the year. I spent a couple of shifts with them last month, just running shifts for the morning show. So yeah, so the production manager on Crime Watch, she asked if I wanted to come join them again to see that. So I'm looking forward to that. I think that's something I like to go more into, is the kind of documentary or like factual shows, and you kind of see the running from like when it's filmed and when it's prepared as well.